Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this transition you see on the screen right now. I made a turn the page one once before, but this one's completely different. The page lays out completely different than the other one, so we're going to go ahead and make it. You can use stills or video for this, it doesn't matter. With stills, you don't need the handles like I'm going to show you here. Most people probably already know this, but there's always newbies out there that don't, so I like to show this. You take your cross dissolve that you need to use to make a transition. It won't stick if you're at the end or the very beginning of a video. If you drag it back, you'll see those handles. We have to have information there for the cross dissolve to stick. So drag both them back. And now it sticks on. Right click on it. Convert to Fusion Cross Dissolve. Then you have this little wand thing. Click it. It'll take you to Fusion. We can delete the cross dissolve. Bring the media in 2 down below media in 1. You can cut the line. Get an image plane. Then get another one. Put the second one above the first one. Plug the media in 1 into the first image plane. Select the merge. Put the merge in viewer 1. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there on the screen. Select the first image plane. Take the subdivisions all the way up. Then go to the second image plane. Subdivisions all the way up. Then go to the transform. On translation, z-axis, put it in minus 0.0001. And now if you look in viewer 1, you should be able to see your first video. Well, it's actually backward, but it comes out correct after you make the macro. And you'll see that in a moment here. Select the merge. Get a 3D render. Go to render type, change it from software to hardware, and pipe it into the media out, and you should have it in viewer 2. Select the merge again. Shift space and transform. Let's go back to this image plane 2. Go to materials and pick a back color. I'm going to go with the light gray. Go back to the transform. Under translation, z-axis, go 1.32. And now it should be fitting your screen correctly. Now select the merge again. Shift space and bender. Then go to the inspector, change the axis to X, and the angle to 90. And then right click on the amount, modify width, anim curves. Go to the modifier and check invert. Back to tools, right click on the center, modify width, anim curves. Go back to the modifier, make sure you're under center, and check invert. And if you look in viewer 2, you can see it's transparent. Select group objects, so you can't see the back. And that will be your back color. I want to make mine a little bit more grayish. Something like that. Right now we have it just kind of rolling out. Go to the transform. Right click on the X. Modify width. Anim curves. Then go to the pivot. Actually, I'll come back to that so I can show you why I'm going to change that. I'll go to the modifier first. Change the scale to 65 and the offset to minus 65. If you take the playhead to frame 0, you'll see in viewer 2, it's still on the screen. I'll go back to tools. On the pivot, change the Y to 0.3, and now you'll see it's off the screen completely. And we have that roll-on effect now. And that's what we're looking for. Bring your media out, down, disconnect it. Get a merge. You want to make sure you plug the render into the green input of the merge, and the median 2 into the yellow. If we go up here, you're going to see it's going to be backward. Once you hit the transition, it changes. To go back down, click on the transition and hit the wand. We're going to make a macro, but we have to highlight them from the bottom up. If we go from the top down, it isn't going to work right. I'm going to highlight them like that. Then right click on any one of them. Make sure the media ins and the media out is not selected. Go to macro, create macro, give it a name. And go down to the Anim Curves 2 on invert, change that to reverse or flip. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates, Edit, Transitions. Here is where you're going to want to make your folder, put your preset in. Once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. We'll save it, then we'll go look for it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. And see, for whatever reason now, it is correct. But it fools you when you're making it. Show you another way to put your transition on. Just line your playhead up with the center. Double click your transition here. It'll go right on. You click on it. Select reverse. It'll come from the left side. You do have your ease in and out. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.